Either if you're facing any type of problem with Bluetooth connection on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then here's a simple steps that you can follow that can help you to solve this problem. If you find that your Bluetooth is not connected with your device or your device is not pairing with your Bluetooth device, then you just need to simply turn it off again and then turn it on back, then try to connect with your device. If it's worked, then congratulations. If it doesn't, then simply tap on this gear icon of your Bluetooth device, then make sure that all the permissions are given like this, and then make sure that if it's connecting or not. If it's not connecting, then you just need to tap on this unpair button and simply tap on unpair, and it will remove that device from your list. Then simply tap on scan again. Now make sure that your device Bluetooth connection is turned on and it will list it on this available device. Then simply tap on that device and it will ask the permission for pair with that device, and then you can connect with your device on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Then if it doesn't show the device, then you can stop the scanning again and tap on scan again to scan all the available device on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now from here you can go to the advanced settings and make sure that your this Samsung Cloud Sensing is turned on your Bluetooth settings. Then you can just simply do another step is you can go to the general management where you will find reset option here, and scroll down, and here you will find reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on it and tap on reset settings, and it will reset your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings to the default settings, and it may help you to solve this problem. And if you are still facing this problem on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra device, then make sure that your NFC and aeroplane mode is turned off. Make this sure that NFC and aeroplane mode is turned off on your device. Then you can try to connect with your Bluetooth. Then it may help you to connect with your Bluetooth device. Now after that, there's another issue. There's probably the battery. So in some devices for battery protection or power saving modes, it prevents the Bluetooth device to drain this battery from this device. If you have low battery on your device and you're connected with a Bluetooth device, then it may have a limitation for that Bluetooth device to take out the battery. So you can just simply turn it off, and you can turn the battery protection also off. Then you can try to connect the Bluetooth device with your Bluetooth. Now if that doesn't solve your problem, then you can do another simple step is quick reset your phone. Simply hold on your power button here, not like this, here from, and from here if you tap on this power button, volume button, this, I'm going to add this. I have just Bixby for this for power button. Sorry for that. If you have Bixby for your power button, you have set this. Then you can just tap on your volume down button and power button together. You just need to hold on it. You just need to hold on this both button and it will appear like this. And if you doesn't set Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then you just need to tap on your power button, just hold on your power button, and you will find this section where you can power off your phone and restart your device. Sometimes a quick restart can help you a lot to solve some serious issues. So tap on restart button, or you can also access this section by your control panel. Here you will find the power button. Simply tap on it, and here you can see if you tap on restart, then tap it again to confirm that you are restarting your phone. And then after completing the restart, you can just try to connect with your Bluetooth device from your Bluetooth section. That's the whole thing. And if you're still facing this type of problem, make sure that your adapter, your wireless adapter is perfect. If there's an issue, make sure to take your phone to a technician that can help you to solve this problem. And then make sure your Bluetooth device is also in good health and their Bluetooth connection adapter is perfect, and then you can try to connect with them. That's how you can solve the issue that you are facing with your Bluetooth connections on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.